statement 1 is incorrect while the statement 2 is correct. Why? यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? The atmosphere is heated more by incoming solar radiation than by terrestrial radiation. ठीक है? So as we know, कोई भी बॉडी जिसका टेम्परेचर एब्सोल्यूट 0 से ज्यादा होता है, इट रेडिएट्स. सिमिलरली इफ यू सी द अर्थ एंड यू सी द सन, सो सन से बहुत सारी, बिकॉज सन इज टू मच हीटेड, सो लॉट्स ऑफ एनर्जेटिक वेव और द एनर्जी दैट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द सन, एंड दैट एनर्जी, बिकॉज दिस सन इज हाईली एनर्जेटिक, बहुत एनर्जेटिक है, तो इससे जो रेडिएशन जो लाइट्स आ रही है, दैट इज व्हाट, दैट इज अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज, जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी बहुत ज्यादा होती है, वेवलेंथ कम होता है. बट when these ultraviolet rays are coming on the surface of the earth, it is actually heating the surface of the earth, right? Surface को heat करता है slowly and gradually. Because of the heat of the sun, the earth is also getting heated up, right? And after that, because this earth has also got heated up, it starts radiating. ठीक है? तो जब वो radiation होता है, definitely that radiation, that energy that is going out is in the form of long wave radiation, infrared जिसको हम बोलते हैं. ठीक है? So infrared क्या है? Definitely if we compare earth with the sun, what is the difference? Sun is very, very heated. So the amount of energy, the energy of the the energy that is coming, it is very high in frequency. बहुत frequency high होती है, and then wavelength कम होता है. But when it is heating this particular earth, and then it is going back, it is radiating back in what? As a long wave radiation. So most of the particles, so basically क्या इसका concept यही है कि हमारे atmosphere में there are so many gases. So those gases actually cannot trap the ultraviolet rays that is coming from the sun. ठीक है? तो वो उसको ट्रैप नहीं कर पाते हैं क्योंकि उनका साइज इतना छोटा होता है, it's very small in size, high in frequency, so it is not able to trap that. But when the long wave radiation is going back, these particles actually trap the heat that is going or radiating from the Earth's surface, right? So that is why this terrestrial radiation is responsible for heating the atmosphere more as compared to the incoming solar radiation.